Hello friends, very good afternoon. I extend a hearty welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are given the isometric view of a simple casting and we are required to draw the orthographic views of the same as per the direction shown in the figure. So F indicates this is the direction in which you have to see to obtain the front view, and E is for the end view, and finally T for the top view. So friends, in the front view you have got maximum width of 50. So that 50 mm I have marked. And the height of this is 20 plus 50 70 plus 25. That is 95 millimeter. That is 75. That is 20 plus 50 70. 70 plus this is how much? 25. 70 95 millimeter is the total height of that. So I will mark 95 here. And in the end view, you have got the width is equal to 40 plus 20 plus 20. That's equal to 80, which is seen in the top view also. And friends, the height is same as 95. Friends, in all this conversion of isometric view or isometric drawing or isometric projection, you will have to first of all, in case this direction is not given, you have to choose always the curved portion in the front view. That is, you have to see this object such that all these curvatures come are available in the front view. Friends, let us start with the front view of this component. Friends, if you look in this direction, you are going to see this rectangle. Then you are going to see this portion with a hole, and here onwards you have got a curvature, a semicircle is drawn. So friends, let us take a height of 20 in the front view. So I will mark here a height of 20 millimeter. So friends, I will use colored chalk to indicate that. So this is the front view. I will complete it first so that it becomes easier for you to analyze how to obtain the projections of this. Then friends, above this height, you have this portion that is 50 mm straight, and then exactly in the center of this, you have got a circular portion. So from 50, I am going to have a circular portion. This is how it looks, friends. And here it is straight. So this is straight here. So I have completed this part above this platform, which has got a height of 20 millimeter. This is 20. I have to mark here. Friends, exactly at a distance of 50 mm, you have got what is called a circle from there of diameter 50. So here I am going to mark a circle parallel to this, having diameter equal to 50 millimeter. That is 15 mm there, sorry, 1 5. This is a circle corresponding to this in the front view. So friends, we have got the front view with this portion, the circle, and again friend, there is a hole drilled both in the front and top portion of this part. It is having a diameter 15 and thickness is 20. So friends, where do you see that? Exactly in the center of this, I have to mark the presence of a circle by drawing these two dotted lines. So these two dotted lines will indicate that there is a diameter or a hole drilled vertically. There is one more behind that is covered by this. Finally friends, there is a slot on this face at a height of 10 mm. So throughout this width in the front view, I have to mark a dotted line at a height of 20 mm to indicate that there is a slot cut along this 50 mm length. Friends, this is all that we get in the front view of the solid. Now friends, let's move on to the top view. Friends, if you see the top view, this curved portion here having width is equal to 50 is seen as a rectangle in the top view that is exactly in between this dimension 80. So friends, I am going to mark here the center and mark a rectangle here of width is equal to, say this width I will take it as 15 mm. So this is say 15 mm. So this there is a rectangle of width 15 mm that can be seen throughout the width of this. That is throughout this 50 mm width, we have a rectangular slot. Friends, this is how we complete FV, the print view of the solid. And in the top view, friends, I told you, for a dimension of 50 by 80, we have a rectangular platform. The rectangular platform is having a width 50 and height is equal to 80. 50 by 80 is this platform, and as you can see on this platform there are two circles exactly symmetrical about this projection. So I am going to extend this line and see here or draw a circle here of diameter equal to how much, 15 mm dia. So I'm going to have two circles written here. Friends, again, when you see from the top, this edge and this corner, say these two are not visible in the top view, and parallel to this, I am going to draw a two lines at a distance of 40 mm. So this is 80. So somewhere here, you are going to have a dotted line that is almost nearer to that. Friend, this is a slot indicating this, and there is one more closer to this on the other end of that. So this here should not show here. Here also you are not going to show that. So there is a slot throughout. Yeah, if you want, you can show also, nothing wrong. So this is how the top view looks, friends. And finally, we need to obtain the left hand view shown in the direction of E. Friend, if you look from here, you see this inverted C type thing having height is equal to 20. So friends, I am going to extend this line towards this, and there I am going to show that slot having a height of how much, 10 mm, and width is equal to 40 mm. So friends, this is the slot we have got here. Since this is cut throughout the length, we should not show that by full line. And friends, till this height of this, we have to draw this horizontal line, and there is this T-shaped thing exactly of width is equal to 15. So friends, exactly in the center of this, I am going to show a rectangle of width is equal to 15 mm, and height is equal to whatever the height you get there from the front view. So friends, this line also we have to remove. Let me darken this line, again darken all these lines. We have to show this slot like this. Friends, what else you have, friends? Here on either side of this, there are holes drilled of diameter 15 that you can take from here, and friends, somewhere here you have got the holes drilled. So at what distance is that? that is at a distance of this much. The holes are drilled here, and exactly in the center of this block we have got a hole here. So friends, I am going to show two holes on either side of this, and they are not visible in the end view, so we have to show by dotted lines on both these sides. That indicates the presence of a hole symmetrical about the vertical piece. So friends, I am going to show these two dotted lines with gap between them equal to how much? That is 15 dia. I can show here 515. 515 means the diameter of this circle is 15. And friends, if you observe here, we have shown these two holes, one on either side of this. Again, there is a hole. The position of that hole can be obtained by extending this line here, friends. So here you have got a hole. Show the axis and then the diameter of that by two lines drawn here at a distance of 15 millimeter. This is 15, this is also 15. And friends, after this we don't need this line, but for the purpose of the so-called construction, we can show them by very thin lines. So friends, after completion of this, let's verify whether the solution we have got here, that is the orthographic views, are satisfying or the as per the front and top views. So in the front view, friend, I'm explaining again. There is a vertical rectangle. This is visible. That is shown by this rectangle. Is again this portion with a hole and circular portion at the end. That is shown here. There is a slot at a distance of 10 millimeter from the bottom face that I have shown by dotted line at a distance of 10 millimeter from the bottom. The total depth is 20 and exactly in the center. There are holes and these two holes coincide with each other. They're exactly in the center of the front portion, and this is shown by these two dotted lines which have got a diameter of 15 mm. And friends, what else is there? There is a slot cut throughout like I have shown there, and these two I have shown. So this complete picture here gives you the front view of this block. Next one, in the top view, when you see from the top up to here, you are going to see a rectangle of width is equal to 15 and depth is equal to 50. So 15 in the top view, 15 by 50 is that rectangle. You have got two holes, one on either side of that. I have shown them here, symmetrical about the center line of this. There's a hole drilled here, and that hole is to be shown in the top view. How do you show that hole in the top view? That is, these two holes are shown here by these two dotted lines exactly in the center of that. Friends, in the top view I have shown you. So this will give you the top view of the component. Finally, friends, if you look at this solid from E, from the end, you can see an inverted C-type thing here. That is an inverted C-type with height is equal to 10, width is equal to 40 mm. And this portion up to the top is seen as a rectangle. A rectangle I have written here. There is a hole here at this height of 50 mm. I have drawn that hole here. That is, the hole is indicated by these two dotted lines. And friends, in the end you have these two circles, one behind this and one in front. They are shown by these two. Friends, whatever the views I have drawn here, these views are as per the first angle projection, and these three views satisfy all the dimensions and the views as per the first angle projection. Friends, please go through the complete video, and if you like this video, Do share this video and the information about my YouTube channel, namely Engineering Drawing by Dr. M.H. Annaya, with all your friends. Have a wonderful day.